We had 3 houses right next door to each other. Everything is just always done together.
Well, we've been here 18 years. I got my roof replaced about 2 months ago. All 3 houses were done together. We've got 3 houses on about 6-7 acres, and we love it out here. My youngest son, Samuel, lives over to my right. My oldest boy lives behind my house, and my wife and I and our doggies live in this house.
Erie Home, thank you very much for the quality work, the quality product. Thank you for the quality of people that you hire. When the gentleman first came over, he made sure that we knew everything about the product. He outlined the install procedure from the start to the finish. Everything went really smooth.
We've had a lot of compliments on it. A lot of our friends have saw it and had compliments. I told them how much I appreciated the salesperson, the workers. It was really good. They were very professional about it. There's no problem. Yeah, it was perfect. We loved it. We loved everything about it. It looked good.
The quality of work is only due to the quality of the people that they have hired. Be it from the gentleman that came out in the first part, to the roofing crew, to the owners, it's all quality. And that really shows in their work and their product.